After 2 days of barricading municipal officials and preventing them from entering the Campacola Housing Society in Mumbai, protesting residents now seem to have given in. Residents could even be evicted tomorrow, but prior to that, civic officials will put off electricity and water connections to the illegal flats in compliance with the court's order. Earlier, residents had appealed to President Pranab Mukherjee to save their homes. Residents in their mercy petition urged the president to intervene on humanitarian grounds.
आज तक हम लोग सिस्टम के खिलाफ लड़ रहे थे, अब लग रहा है कि सिस्टम के साथ में जब लड़ेंगे तो हमको उम्मीद है, हमें एक बहुत उम्मीद है कि कहीं ना कहीं हमारे साथ में न्याय होगा। हम लोग चीफ मिनिस्टर जी के साथ मिलकर आए हैं, ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा बैठे थे उनके साथ में। उन्होंने संडे को 1 घंटा का टाइम दिया हमको। उन्होंने हमारी प्रॉब्लम समझी, हमने उनको समझाया कि भाई ये तकलीफ थी, घर जा रहे हैं, पीएमसी अधिकारियों से बात करेंगे और उनको बोलेंगे कि भाई दरवाजे खुले हैं। रिक्वेस्ट ये करेंगे कि आज, क्योंकि 4, साढ़े 4, 5 बज गई है, तो आज से ना करिए, कल सवेरे से करें। मगर अगर वो चाहे आज से करना, तो आज से भी हम तैयार हैं।
Yogesh Damle joining us from the Campacola compound at this point. Yogesh, what is it that really brought about this sudden change of heart on the part of residents of Campacola Society? We've seen this absolutely tense standoff for the last couple of days. What made them blink first?
Well, Ankita, this was indeed the biggest of surprises given the grave mistrust and bitterness that existed between the BMC and the Campacola residents out here. Earlier this afternoon, with a brief meeting that happened with the Chief Minister, the points that were brought to the negotiation tables are that the Campacola residents agreed to drop their arms. The state government and the BMC could in fact come a step ahead and do whatever they could within the legal framework to regularize whatever structure they can. This is a huge saving grace of sorts for the residents who have been fighting to regularize at least 80 of the 102 structures that would be going under the bulldozer. I'm joined by Vidya Srinivas, one of the core committee members of the society that negotiated with the CM. Ma'am, having said all of this, nothing of this is still at this point in written. So does that worry you?
As of now, we are hoping that since we have agreed to abide by the Supreme Court order in spirit, we are sure that the Chief Minister and the government will also come a step ahead and give us support. And the Chief Minister has assured us that he will look at the entire issue within the legal framework and try and get us some relief from it. Since there is 67,000 square feet, which is legal, we are hoping we'll be able to rebuild that.
While you've agreed to open your gates for the BMC officials to discharge their duties, does it mean that you would relinquish your rights or titles to the property?
No, that is one thing we do not do, because we're still members of the society, of the Campacola Society and me of Midtown, of our building societies. So we're not relinquishing our titles or our rights. We are only permitting them to come and turn off our water, power and our gas as of now.